Today's video is about African folktales and myths. African folklore is a rich tapestry of stories, myths, and legends that have been passed down through generations, shaping the cultural identity of diverse communities across the continent. These narratives, often conveyed through oral traditions, reflect the wisdom, values, and spirituality of African societies. In this video, we explore the enchanting world of African folktales and myths, delving into their significance, themes, and the cultural diversity they encapsulate. African folktales are primarily conveyed through oral traditions, representing a vital aspect of the continent's cultural heritage. Storytelling has been a means of passing down knowledge, morals, and traditions from one generation to the next. Folktales serve as a communal form of learning, allowing individuals to understand their place in society, the natural world, and the cosmos. These stories often carry moral lessons and provide insight into societal norms. Africa is home to a multitude of ethnic groups, each with its unique languages, customs, and traditions. Folktales are a reflection of this cultural diversity, providing a glimpse into the varied landscapes and belief systems across the continent. Through folktales, communities preserve their history, customs, and spiritual beliefs. These narratives contribute to a collective memory that reinforces a sense of identity and continuity. Many African folktales feature animals as characters, each representing specific virtues, vices, or qualities. The interactions between animals convey moral lessons and cultural wisdom. Anansi, a trickster spider character prominent in West African folklore, often appears in tales that explore themes of cleverness, resourcefulness, and the consequences of greed. African folktales frequently explore themes of morality, emphasizing virtues such as honesty, humility, and kindness while cautioning against vices like greed, arrogance, and dishonesty. Many stories convey the wisdom of ancestors, imparting lessons about respect for elders, communal harmony, and the interconnectedness of generations. Africa boasts a multitude of creation myths, each unique to different regions and communities. These myths often provide explanations for the origins of humanity, the natural world, and celestial bodies. The Yoruba people of Nigeria, for instance, have a creation myth that involves the deity Oduduwa molding the first human beings out of clay and breathing life into them. Various African cultures have pantheons of gods and spirits that govern different aspects of life. Myths often narrate the deeds and interactions of these deities. In Yoruba mythology, Shango is the god of thunder and lightning, symbolizing power and justice. His stories explore themes of leadership, morality, and the consequences of hubris. African folktales have influenced modern African literature, with many authors drawing inspiration from traditional narratives to create contemporary stories that resonate with a global audience. The continued appreciation and adaptation of folktales contribute to the resilience of African cultures, fostering pride in heritage and strengthening cultural bonds. African folktales and myths represent a captivating journey into the heart of diverse cultures, offering profound insights into the values, wisdom, and spirituality of the continent. Through oral traditions, these narratives have endured, shaping identities, instilling morals, and connecting communities across generations. What is the significance of African folktales in preserving cultural heritage? African folktales play a crucial role in preserving cultural heritage by being passed down through oral traditions. These stories convey knowledge, morals, and traditions from one generation to the next, contributing to a collective memory that reinforces a sense of identity and continuity within diverse African communities. How do African folktales reflect the cultural diversity of the continent? African folktales are a reflection of the continent's cultural diversity, showcasing a multitude of ethnic groups, languages, and traditions. Through these narratives, one can gain insights into the varied landscapes, belief systems, and customs that define the rich tapestry of African cultures. What are some common themes found in African folktales? African folktales often explore themes such as moral lessons, virtues and vices, and ancestral wisdom. Animal fables, featuring characters with symbolic significance, are common, and many stories convey the importance of virtues like honesty, humility, and kindness while cautioning against vices such as greed and arrogance. How do African creation myths contribute to cultural understanding? Creation myths in Africa provide diverse explanations for the origins of humanity, the natural world, and celestial bodies. These myths vary across regions and communities, offering unique perspectives on cultural beliefs and contributing to a deeper understanding of the spiritual and cosmological foundations within African societies. How have African folktales influenced modern literature and storytelling? African folktales have left a lasting impact on modern literature, influencing contemporary authors who draw inspiration from traditional narratives. These stories, with their universal themes and timeless wisdom, have been adapted and woven into modern storytelling, contributing to a global appreciation of African cultural heritage and storytelling traditions. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.